Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I wanted you to meet Glitch. Glitch is one of the cookies that is going back to school in my new Pencil Pals cookie class. Glitch is a fluffy little pink creature with a round body that jiggles whenever it moves. And Glitch is the class jokester. She's super mischievous and she loves to pull pranks on anybody that she can. So if all of the whiteboard markers are missing, you know who to blame. You can always count on Glitch to do something funny that makes everyone laugh. Except for maybe the teacher. And because of all of her silliness, Glitch is really popular amongst all the students. Everyone loves Glitch, and she's so much fun to hang around. She's a fluffy little creative ball of energy, and she invites you to come and take the Pencil Pals class and get to know her and all of her friends. So if you want more details, just check the description, or you can go to my website at www.l-treats.com. See you in class.